this video, I'll be talking about all you need to know about dropshipping, Big Cartel, and how you can integrate your dropshipping products into Big Cartel. So let's get into it. Now, before we get started and talk about dropshipping in Big Cartel, one thing to note is that Big Cartel is a platform that allows you to create your online store for free. However, it has a few limitations if you are going to use it for free, where you can only create upwards of 5 products on their free version. However, this can serve as a great getaway for you to start building your niche store, such as an Amazon Find store or any kind of store that is just going to be focused on one category. Instead of trying to sell a lot of different products, you can focus on one particular dropshipping niche, like trending products or home goods or maybe trending accessories, and you can only sell 5 of those at a time. However, if you are looking to diversify your product range and you want to expand the number of products you have and have more features such as discounts, promos, bulk editing, shipment tracking, product variant groups, as well as sales tax, all of that is going to be something that, some of these features are exclusive to the platinum one, such as 5 images per product, free customizable templates. You have a larger variety of templates. You have template code editing as well. So if you want that, you can go for the premium version. Plus, also keep in mind that if you use Big Cartel on the free plan, you do have to go with the Big Cartel domain. If you want to link your own domain name, then you have to upgrade to a premium plan on Big Cartel. Now let's get into actually adding a dropshipping product. Now, I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the pros and cons of using Big Cartel. So, one thing to note is that one of the largest cons, I would say, for using Big Cartel as your dropshipping seller or dropshipping front is going to be the fact that there is no direct link you can build with Big Cartel. You are going to have to manually input your product and then manually send your orders to your supplier. Your supplier could be on AliExpress, your supplier could be on Alibaba, your supplier could be on any platform. It really just depends on where you're getting your items from. So if you go on to AliExpress dropshipping over here, you will see there are multiple different tools that help you in AliExpress dropshipping as well. But if you just go even directly on AliExpress, a lot of website builders are going to let you link with Big Cartel directly. However, with Big Cartel, there's no direct link you can build. However, I'll show you guys an example of how you can add your dropshipping product. So let's say I have this 3D, or let's say I have these shiny earrings, or any of these products. I'll go with this 3D cable protector. So we have this, and what I would do is I'm first going to Love Hard Charger Protector Cable. I'm going to shorten the name first, and then I'm going to go on to Big Cartel, click on Add Product over here, and then I'm going to insert the product. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your dropshipping supplier and then save your images. So whatever images they have used, you're going to save those and click on Add Image over here. And we are just going to be using those images. So I am just going to take this image, and then I can just crop this out as well, like so, taking our picture from here. Like so. We're just going to crop out our dropshipping product image and then click on done. Now going back into Big Cartel, I'm just going to add my product image, and then I'm going to go into the description. So these dropshipping platforms sometimes have a really long description. You can simplify these. So to simplify our description, I am just going to go into this section. And this doesn't have a lot, so it's just going to have this basic information. You're going to input that over here. And I'm just going to add a little bit of text. And then we're just going to add this, like so. And then after that, you can enter the category it belongs to within your dropshipping store. So you can add categories as you are adding more products. So this could be electronics. like this, and then click on save like this. And then once I've done that, I can just add it in the electronics category, and then I can choose the stage of this product. So if it's an active product, hidden, sold out, or coming soon, then I can choose my price. Obviously, you're going to increase the price of your product, and you're going to increase it from your original supplier to, whatever your profit margin you are establishing. Let's say I'm selling this for $50, or let's say it's for $30, and then I can add variants or variant groups. Variant groups are colors, for example. So you can add a variant group called colors, and people can pick out the particular color that they want. Or if you have variants of one product where it's the same color, and maybe the cable ending has either it's a type C or iPhone charger, so you can add variants like that as well. And once you have added your variants, you are just going to continue on. If you don't have any, you can skip that part. You can go directly into shipping. Now, one thing to note is this is going to be your shipping rate for the designated country. Now, one thing I like to follow as a standard practice, this is going to be very, very difficult for you to estimate because it depends on which category you're targeting whenever you're building your dropshipping store. Let's say I primarily want to dropship my products to Canada. So what I would do is I would set the rate for Canada to be $5 like this. And then I can set up another rate, and let's say for the United States, I set up a slightly higher rate of $8. Now, keep in mind, you are estimating these costs. Always go over with your supplier to see what their shipping cost to that particular country will be. Now, once you've done that, you're going to just click on save, and just like that, you have a new product added in your Big Cartel store. Now, to view this, you can go into account on the top right, and once you go into account on the top right, you can click on your store, and currently it's in maintenance mode, but this is our product over here. It looks very nice. Now, this is the best part about Big Cartel, is that it lets you sell products for free. You have payment processors for free. But one thing you might wonder, hey, how do I collect payments and send those payments to my suppliers? Well, it's a very easy thing to do. You are going to go into account over here and scroll down, and you have your plans and billing. You have your get paid section over here. So once you have your get paid section, just click on set up payment options, and then you have PayPal, and then you also have Stripe. You can connect whichever one you prefer. And what this will do is that you're going to enter your own PayPal account, and people will directly pay you. And then once they, pay you and they have their order, you're going to forward that order and pay the supplier yourself. After that, you also have taxes. So you have automatic taxes available for the United States and Puerto Rico, and you can set up manual taxes for other regions as well. You also have shipping profiles that you can add. So let's say for a certain country or certain areas, you offer free shipping. You can enter that and set up default shipping rates for products and for different regions as well. This can be super helpful, and I always recommend that you keep a default shipping rate. That just helps in establishing your website to be more original and not another dropshipping store. Now, you might be wondering, how can I promote these products? Well, going into Amazon Finds is a great way to find products as well as promote your own. You can find a lot of different trending products, and you can start building a 5-product store. Just find any 5 products that fall within the same niche on these Amazon Finds on TikTok, and you are going to just start your business with those 5 products and then expand as you go. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.